So, what's so special about Claude.ai? Well, if you'd like to find out, stick around to the end. Hey, I'm Henry, I'm from Product Creation Formula. And here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, have it smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. All right, let's go check it out. Okay, so here we are at a place called Claude.ai, and it's from 𝗬𝗏𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂𝗧. Now, this is literally a very similar product to ChatGPT, but there are some distinct differences. Firstly, this is the free version, and in the free version, you're allowed to upload files, and up to 10 megabytes each, which means it can accept things like PDFs, text, CSV files, etc. So you can actually upload that. And let's have a quick look at that right now. We'll have a look at one of the ones that I got here. And as you can see, it already has a PDF down here. Now let's have a quick look at the PDF so we can have an idea as to what it's about. So Supreme Court of the United States, Brown versus Board of Education, and then it goes through and it has a look at the various things written within it. It's not an overly huge one, but what it'll do is it will literally give you a summary of everything in it. And as you can see, it's written it all up here. It's also giving you study questions and answers and allows you to give you a very summarized version of what was written in that previous text. Okay, now let's go back and have a look at other things that it can also do. It'll also help me practice my Spanish vocab. Click on that. Help me practice my Spanish vocab. Now, I know nothing about Spanish, so here is your first Spanish word, perro. And it obviously means dog. So that's something you can also do here. Now obviously you can ask it various other things. What does hello mean? Or what is hello in Spanish? And then hit that. Spanish word was perro, which means dog in English. Since you got that wrong. Okay, I get it now. Okay, sorry. Alright, sorry. Hola, got it. Of course. So I didn't realize what it was actually trying to do. Okay, all good. Let's go back to have a look. And you can also go explain how Python games work, and you can go through that. I'm not going to worry about that one. Not only does it summarize text, but it also memorizes larger quantities of text than ChatGPT. ChatGPT has over 8K context, where Claude allows you to have up to 100K, which basically means it can remember more words than what ChatGPT can. So if you're having a conversation, it'll remember the first thing you've actually written up to 100,000. So it actually memorizes more of the conversation. Plus, this has later information. Now, just to be able to prove to you this, let's go here. Please give me the latest trends in 2023 for 2023. Hit that. And what this will do then summarize the various trends that are currently out. So rise of AI generation content, like image videos. Okay, this is a good one. Continued popularity of video streaming services like Netflix, Prime. Okay. Metaverse, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, TikTok, sustainability, and I might say here, please give me more, and hit that. Here are some additional notable trends so far in 2023. EV adoptions, rising steadily, buy now, pay later, quick commerce, and you can have a look through here. Now, what I might do is I might even say trends involving AI and content creation. Absolutely, AI and content creation are exploding in popularity and capabilities in 2023. Here are some key trends. And as you can go through here, I can actually have a look through this. And by having a look through this, I can actually decide, oh, I might make some videos about this. Writing assistants like ChatGPT, AI translation tools. Now, one thing I'll tell you about this, that they don't use ChatGPT. They have their own AI model, and they're not using ChatGPT. But it's also really safe to use as well. Now I'm going to ask it, how far back does its memory go? Well, I said, how far back does your knowledge go? Let's go click on that. We'll see what it says. Here we go. This is what it says. I'm an AI assistant created by 𝗬𝗏𝗂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗂 to be helpful, harmless, and honest. I don't have a subjective sense of time or long-term memory. My knowledge comes from what 𝗬𝗏𝗂𝗧𝗂𝗏𝗂𝗏 researchers have trained me on, which includes many domains and general knowledge up to 2022, whereas ChatGPT had it up to 2021. So it's actually got more modern information, more up-to-date information. I'm guessing that because it's chosen, because I mentioned the word 2023, it's actually giving me what it believes may still be popular from 2022. But that being said, that would, I'm assuming, be still fairly accurate. I'm going to get it to actually write something for me about a topic I know very well. So what I'm going to just put down here is, please tell me how to use AI to edit PLR content. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is hit enter and we'll see what it comes up with. Use an AI writing assistant like ChatGPT to revise and expand the content asked to improve the flow and add more details, make it sound more natural. That's good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, now write this in detail like a script for YouTube. Now what I wrote was, now write this in detail like a script in a chatty way for YouTube. Write it in the first person and go into detail as to how it's done. So all I have to do is hit enter and we'll just come up and see what it comes up with. Okay, so from what I can see here, hey everyone, today I'm going to show you my step-by-step process for using AI to edit and improve PLR content. As a content creator, PLR can be a great starting point, but it often needs some revision and TLC to really make it shine. That's actually really good. I think this writes it even better than ChatGPT does. Okay, first things first, because ordinarily when you do this, right, when I put it in ChatGPT, it'll say things like, narrator, and it'll give me all these things that are really unnecessary. That's really good that it didn't include all of that, because it's just one less step for me to have to worry about removing it. I don't have to remove it from the content all the time. Okay, let's have a quick look at this. After that, I used 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗶, which is an amazing AI paraphrasing tool. I simply copy in the original PLR and 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗶 rewrites it using the synonyms. Okay, so I'm going to get it to now expand on this. Expand on this point. So what I did was I said expand on this point, and all I now have to do is see what it comes up with. Now do be aware, it does have a limit on how often and how many conversations you can have. And that's the same with ChatGPT. ChatGPT also gives you a limit. But so far, this is doing quite well. And it'll also tell you a time as to when that limit is due to come back online. So it did say that. I didn't want that, but that's okay. You can copy this, by the way, do it hitting copy down the bottom. Okay, let's have a quick read of what it says. 𝗬𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗶 is one of my favorite tools for taking existing content and giving it a fresh new spin. Here's how it works. I simply copy it. I wouldn't use the word spin because it's not a spinner, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I simply copy and paste the full original. Okay, this is really good. So potentially I could use this as a script for, say for example, using Pictory or one of those other AI tools that create videos, and I can create an entire script and add that to that particular software. So I think actually this writes in a better way. I think it actually writes better than ChatGPT does. And ChatGPT is good, but I think this is a little bit better. Okay, well, that's my view. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of Claude compared to ChatGPT. Tell me if you've used it, if you haven't, if you're going to think about using it. I'll leave a link in the description down below for Claude, by the way. It's free to join if you want to. You can also pay $20 a month to go to Pro, which gives you more options and I believe more words, and it's a bit faster. But outside that, give it a go, have a look at it if you haven't already tried it, and see how you go. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of claud.ai. Also too, just to let you know, right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.